Hi, my dear friend circle. Today I am going to use my English. Why it is English means what I know. That much of English I will try to speak with all of you. So keep on watching because my travel friends is saying that when they are saw my page, they're told that why you are not making any videos with using English. So I'm not going to translate in Kannada, in particularly this video. I will try to make a beautiful, a small subject oriented or concept oriented one small video that is about parental control of love. As my experience, what I am thinking about this means why the people or parents not accept love. For that, I already make a lots of videos in Kannada, but still I am interested to be use this platform to explain this. As per my knowledge, what is love? A lots of people don't know. As what I searched, when I lost my love without knowing the knowledge of love. The love is everywhere. How the God is everywhere. In the same way, love is also spreaded with or in every place, thing, or humans or animals, whether whatever it is. But still, we try to search with others or particular person or something. Yes, that is true. Actually, we try to search in particular person because unknowingly we believe them. That believe is the beautiful word. It creates lots of blah 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 things in our minds. This is basically stands in our minds and it grows without knowing us. That is the biggest problem what we face or we suffer in our lives, and we came out our real path. It is a disgusting moment of our everyone's, our particular people who are suffered in love, that is highly tough situations. When some people they are living in the belief system, they won't come out from that pain. Actually, they feel as a sick, they feel as a pain. They lost their hopes to get back their love. Whether it is an human love, means a boy and girl, or else mother and son, or else brother and sister, like this. Sometimes a thing, it's a watch or it's a some gifts, and another thing is having their pet animals. If they left, they really become sad and sick because of the lost moments of their beautiful times. So what they think is it won't come again. They strongly believe that. But the thing is, they won't have that mindset to adjust for the new things. That is what the biggest problem. Some people they call it as possessive or any other words. There are lots of dictionarial words for that. So every time, that is the reason I will say, if you are not getting the real or original thing, you have to oh, sorry, I got a small message. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. You have to accept and you have to move on from that situation. That is very tough, I know, but when you stop there, you won't get anything and you won't get back anything in your life. So that what I try to say is, please don't attach to anything. In Kannada, we call it as atrupta atma. If you don't satisfy your soul for any particular thing, it again and again it grows like a big bush in your mind. It won't allow to make any specification or special things in your work or in your work life or any other time being. So dear friends, please understand, life is beautiful. you have very, very, very beautiful time, beautiful moments in after that what you are suffering or what you are having a pain situations in your life. Really, I know practically I practically experienced the things. That's what I'm saying. Please wait for the beautiful times and don't allow to make don't give the time to make that past things is a big. I know it is not much easy. How I said, it is very tough. But if you wait your time to come out from that, some people they take it as one day. Some people that take it as 10 days. Some people it takes 10 years. But after 10 years also, after 15 years also, after 30 years also, you have the beautiful life. Exactly what I'm trying to say is you people have the beautiful lives. Don't stick on for any particular thing. And especially what I will say is love and the sexual thing is very, 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 very. See, very, 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 very. There is a big difference in that. Loving the people is makes everyone in the society. But more than that, if you are trying to expecting, that is really not good as per my knowledge. But uh, some circumstances maybe it impacts on our lives without in our control. Yes, this is also things happened in lots of people. They are sufferers, and it is also makes a biggest trouble in our lives, that is called a depression. Unknown things sometimes it causes our minds. So that what I'm trying to say is suffering is not the solution of life, but suffering is very important. Then only you will know the real and you know the originality of you. So after suffering, I told you, no, there is no time limit for that, but the beauty of the life will open after that only. So thanks. I don't know, is there any mistakes in my words? I will start slowly with English and Hindi also. I will come back in later time. Is there any grammatical mistakes? Kindly sorry for that. I will learn better than this. Once again, Mitra Vrunda. Keep on watching ISTA 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 E Sakara Ketavato. This is in Kannada. Nanu Kannadiga, always Kannadiga, but allow Telugu, Tamil, English because I am staying in India. Thanks for watching. Keep on. Don't worry. I am here.